it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So I have had a lot of requests to share the kids' school lunches this year, and today is Friday. Murphy's jumping on me. It's the first day of school. We're starting school on a Friday this year, which is very odd, but I did some last minute lunches this morning. I should have done them last night, but I went to bed early. So let me show you what the kids are taking for lunch today. All right, so if you're new to my channel, I have two kids. Kira is 10 and she's in 5th grade. Connor is 7. Connor's 7 and he's in 1st grade. So today Kira is going to take a turkey sandwich. She doesn't really like anything on her sandwich, so it's just turkey and bread. And I have a cheddar cheese stick. I get these at Walmart. I buy them almost every week. They're delicious. Some goldfish crackers. I made these fruit cups earlier in the week, so there's just cut up apples, strawberry, and peaches in there. And then this is a trail mix from a Variety Fun box that we got. So is that enough food? All right.
I just need a fork for the fruit. A
fork? Okay. And then Connor actually had Subway for dinner last night and has some left over. So he has like a little bit less than a 6-inch turkey sub. Some strawberries, some goldfish, and then just a peanut butter chocolate chip granola bar. And sometimes I get questions if they can take peanut products to school, and yes, they can take them for their lunches. And then depending on if they have a child in their class with a peanut allergy, they can't always take peanut products for their snack, but yes, for lunches, they are allowed. Because what, they have the kids sit at a different table that have peanut allergies?
That's like one time there's a kid in 4th grade who has 5th grade who has a peanut allergy, so like someone's eating peanut butter on the other side, so they moved over.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so that's what they're taking for lunch today. Okay, so really quick, I'll show you the lunch boxes that we're using this year. So this one Connor has used for the last, I think 3 years actually. It's an Under Armour lunch box. I'll find both of these on Amazon and link them down below, but this one is super duper sturdy. Like this is probably the lunchbox that we've had that has held up the best. So that's what he's using. And then Kira wanted like a plain navy blue lunchbox with a water holder on the side.
Matches my backpack.
It matches your backpack, yeah.
Put the patches on it too.
So this one is, I can't remember how much it was. I just bought it on Amazon recently. I feel like it was like 15 bucks or something, so not that bad. So that's what they're using this year for their lunches. Are you excited? Kinda? You're a little bit scared?
5th grade and I'll have 6 teachers.
Yeah. You're gonna have so much homework.
My ELA,
I'm just kidding.
math teacher, art, PE, choir, orchestra.
Yeah, a lot. The bus is here. They're running to it because it came early. Like 5 minutes early. All right, good morning. Today is Wednesday. I'm showing you guys what the kids are taking for their lunch today. I apologize for my voice. I seem to have developed a summer cold here. So today I am using our new Bento boxes. And last year I used the Yum boxes a lot and other various Bento boxes. But these were on sale on Amazon not too long ago. And I decided to pick them up and try them, and we do like them. So both of these are sort of different styles, but I'll link them down below. This is Kira's, and so today she is going to be taking some crispy chicken. So I made chicken sandwiches the other night, and we had a couple of patties left over. So I just cut them into fry strips, and these are great for kids to take in their lunch boxes. They can eat them cold, no issue. In this little Sistema container, I have some ketchup for her because she likes to dip her chicken in ketchup. This divider right here comes out, so if you wanted to use this larger section to put a sandwich, you totally could, but I have it in there. I gave her some fruit salad, so in there I have cut up strawberries, pineapple, mango, and kiwi, and then I have a little pick for her to eat the fruit with. I also put some of these caramel bugles in there. If you guys haven't had these and you like salty sweet stuff, they're really, really good. So I put those in there, and then in this compartment she just has some roasted cashews and a piece of cheese that I cut up into triangles. So that is her lunch today. One thing I wanted to mention is that the reason why I love bento boxes is that you can totally customize the, you know, compartments. So like for example, Kira really likes fruit. She doesn't like a lot of raw vegetables, and so I just compensate for that by using one of the larger size compartments to put her fruit in. So that's what she is taking. And then Connor has the smaller Bento box. He's taking kind of the same thing, a little bit different. Some of the chicken cut up into fry shapes. And then instead of ketchup, he likes this chicken dipping sauce. I get this at Walmart. I'm told that it tastes kind of like the stuff from Chick-fil-A. In this compartment, I have some cherry tomatoes and cucumber, which he loves. In this compartment, I have a little cute eyeball pick with some fruit. So I have pineapple, kiwi, and strawberry. In this compartment are some little graham crackers. These, I forget the brand, but we got these in a Variety Fun box. And then this is a little fruit strip that I just cut into little squares so it would fit in the little compartment here. So that's what they're taking for lunch today. And then obviously they are taking their water bottles. So this is Kira's. We got this for her at Starbucks. And then this one is Connor's. It's a thermo flask. And that's the kind that he likes to take. So if any of these products are available online, I'll link them down below. Have a great day. Good morning, friends. I'm going to show you this morning what the kids are taking for lunch. They both kind of basically have the same thing. Today is a little bit simpler. So I just have these preserve containers, they're called. You can get them on Grove, but you can also find them on Amazon. So I'll link them down below. Kira has a sandwich with cheddar cheese, a slice of salami, and a slice of deli turkey, and a string cheese stick. This is just regular string cheese. I do open it a little bit for them, just so it's easier for them. They don't get much time to eat at school, so that's just something I try to help them with. On the side, I'm giving her some fruit salad, so there's just some pineapple, mango, kiwi, and strawberry in there. And then a package of these buttermilk ranch Rice Crisps. Sometimes you can find these at Walmart, but I got a big box of these on Boxed.com, which has been really nice. I think they came with ranch, barbecue, and cheddar, and these are a little bit healthier than chips. And then for a treat, I just went ahead and split a nutty bar between the two of them. So that is what she is taking today. Connor's taking basically the same thing. He doesn't really care for mango, so I left the mango out of his fruit cup. Just gave him kiwi, strawberries, and pineapple. I'll probably throw a fork in there for them to eat that with. He's got a string cheese also, and then he requested PB&J instead of turkey. So that's what they're taking today. Simple lunch, but that's okay. You don't have to do something complicated every day of the week. Good morning, friends. I've got another day of school lunches to show you today. Both kids are taking their lunch today. So I have, again, my Bento boxes. Kira's got the larger one and Connor's got the smaller one. In Kira's, I have in here some deli turkey meat. This is just the cracked pepper turkey that you get from the deli counter at Walmart. I have some turkey pepperoni and then some just regular mozzarella cheese sticks. And then on top of that, I just have a small package of these salted cashews. She really likes those. And if you leave them in the package, it keeps them from getting soggy in the lunchbox. Back here, I just have some baby spinach with some cut up yellow peppers. She doesn't like dressing, so I just put it in here like this and she eats it. I have some reduced fat Ritz crackers. And then here in the front, I have a cute little pick with some cut up strawberries and kiwi. And then for both kids, I have a Capri Sun. Connor basically has the same thing, except he has different veggies. So he's got the shaved turkey, the turkey pepperoni, some cheese sticks, and then I just use these silicone muffin liners in here to kind of divide up his food just so it looks a little bit cuter. He's got strawberries, kiwis, some reduced fat Ritz crackers, and then in here is some cut up yellow bell pepper and some cut up baby cucumber. And then here in the middle for a little treat, I just have him some trail mix. This is the sweet and salty trail mix from Walmart that comes in the little individual packets. So that is what the kids are taking for lunch today. I hope you have a great one. All right, so good morning. I'm going to show you guys what the kids are taking for their lunch today. I'm using, again, the Bento boxes, and this is the last lunch that I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. So Kira is taking a sub sandwich, and this has a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese, turkey pepperoni, and regular turkey lunch meat on it. I just cut it in half. These are just little mini sub rolls, but I cut it in half so I could fit it in the box. She's got a cutie orange that I peeled and sectioned for her, and one kiwi that I peeled and sliced. In this compartment, she's got some celery cut up and some yellow bell pepper. And then in here, some Pringles and a few Hershey Kisses. Both the kids are getting a Capri Sun. Connor also has a little mini sub sandwich. He's got a little bit of mayo and turkey and ham and cheese on his. And then he's also got a cutie, some cucumbers here in the little dip compartment. I put some ranch for him to dip his cucumbers in. This is actually a caramello koala that I got at a scrapbooking retreat I went to this weekend. There was someone there from Australia, and she brought these for everyone, and so I gave these to the kids as little treats. So I'm putting that in there along with some Cheez-Its. So that is what the kids are taking for lunch today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know. It does take me a little bit to get them filmed because my kids don't take home lunch every single day, but I do enjoy sharing ideas, and I like watching other videos like this as well to get ideas for my kids. So thanks again for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.